the financial market is full of risk and volatility, and finding a right investment vehicle can be challenging. However, SIP or Systematic Investment Plan is one such investment vehicle that has the potential to help you build wealth with relatively lower risk. A plan that allows you to invest in regular and disciplined manner, even with a small capital. So how does it work? SIP works on the basis of periodic and consistent investments, quite like a recurring bank deposit, where you invest a fixed amount in a mutual fund, and corresponding units are allotted to you depending on the scheme's current NAV, thus eliminating the need to time the market and optimizing your chances of getting relatively higher returns in the long term. And the best part is, now you can start an SIP in any mutual funds in a jiffy thanks to our newly launched mutual fund platform. To start your SIP, visit yesinvest.in now. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.